secondary and higher secondary education for this session of declaration of 10th standard result held in April. I have with me Board Secretary Sri Bhagirath Shetye, Deputy Secretary Sri Bharat Chopte, our in charge of our IT section. I have Srimati Josna Sarin, Assistant Secretary. This examination of 10th standard this year was held from 2nd April 2018 to 21st April 2018 at 27 centers across the state. And for the smooth conduct of this examination, many agencies, associations, school, they contributed. So at the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to the President of Headmasters Association, all heads of high schools, teachers, examiners, conductors, observers, vigilance committee members, management of all the schools who are appointed for this task. Also the principal management of Presentation Convent High School, Margaon, St. Brito's High School, Mapsa, Fatima Convent High School, Margaon, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Padji, and Adarsh Vidyalaya, Pajifond for sparing their premises for the assessment camp for the SSC and HSC examination of 2018. Then we are also thankful to Director General of Police for providing adequate police security force to his sub-offices across the state for this task. Then I am very much thankful to the staff of the Goa board as well as all officials of Education Department, electronic and print media who are present here for the coverage of this examination. So now I will be presenting the highlights of the SSC results. Simultaneously they will be displayed.
Kindly just give us a space, please.
Now,
Just side it up, please. This one. We will not able to see those slides.
now you can see on the screen SSC results for the last 5 years. So this we are presenting only to compare the 5-year results with over this year's results. So in 2013, 18,509 students appeared, out of which 15,795 students passed, and this result was 85.34%. Then in 2014, 18,103 students appeared, 15,119 students passed, and this result was 83.51%. In 2015, 19,582 students appeared, 16,674 students passed, 85.15%. Then 2016, 19,867 students appeared, 18,066 students passed, and the percentage was 90.93%. In 2017, that is last year, 18,776 students appeared, out of which 17,193 students passed, and this result was 91.57. Okay, so these are the past 5 years result. Now this year's number of students appeared for whole examination is 19,596 students whole. Then exempted 6,055. Now number of students passed 17,886, exempted 256. Pass percentage of whole, that means those students, those who appeared by taking all the subjects, is 91.27, and exempted is 39.8%. So this year's result is 91.27%. Then next slide. Gender-wise results. Boys, 10,158 boys appeared, out of which 9,009 passed, and the passing percentage of boys is 88.69. Girls, 10,093 students, girl students appeared and passed 9,133, and the percentage is 90.49. So the number of girl students passing this examination is more. Then some of the salient features of this examination. Center, Panji, 18,060 students appeared. The 1860 students appeared. Pass percentage 89.13. This center is with highest enrollment center. Then Cape, 502 students enrolled. Pass percentage is 81.67. This center is with lowest passing percentage. And Mashe, 179 students enrolled, and pass percentage is 96.60. This center is with lowest enrollment but highest passing percentage. Then school securing 100% pass percentage. So there are 78 schools who scored 78 schools. 78 schools secured 100% result. Of course, I am not mentioning the names of all these 78 schools here on the CD which we are going to provide you. So on that, all these names will be appearing. So you can go through it afterwards. But taluka-wise statistics I will give you. Bardays. Go next. 5.1. Bardays, 8 aided schools secured 100% result, and 1 government school secured 100% result. Bicholim, 2 aided, 5 government schools scored 100% results. Kankod, 4 aided, 4 government. Then Margaon, 4 aided schools secured 100% result. No government school scored the 100% result at Margaon Center. Patna, 8 aided schools scored 100% result. 2 government schools scored 100% result. Honda, 10 schools, aided schools secured 100% result. 4 government schools secured 100% result. Cape, 1 government school scored 100% result. Aided school is nil. Salse, 11 schools, aided schools secured 100% result. Government nil. Sangay, no aided schools scored 100% result. 1 government school scored 100% result. Sattari also, aided school nil, and government school, 1 government school scored 100% result. Tiswadi, 9 schools secured 100% result. 1 government school scored 100% result. Tiswadi, Tisk, Darbanoda, 1 aided and 1 government school scored 100% result. So total 57 aided schools managed to score the 100% result, and 21 government schools were able to score the 100% result. So now school-wise average percentage of students who passed, that means their average percentage is above 75%. average percentage, the scoring average percentage of 75%. Saint Joseph Institute Vasco, Dr. K.B. Edgewar High School Panji, Patikar Model High School Margaon, Fatima Convent High School Margaon, Mahila and Newton English High School Margaon, Vidyavritti High School Ponda, the Rosary High School Miramar, Holy Family High School Purvari, Sanjay School for Special Education Purvari, and Mary's Angel Convent High School Chichini. So these are the average percentage of student passed with 75%. Then cent percent result, 100% result. Sanjay Center for Special Education Purvari. These are the special schools. Lokvishwas Pratishthan Middle School Davli, Lokvishwas Pratishthan Virani School High School Davli, and Xavier's Academy Old Goa. So these are the 5 special schools who have scored the 100%. Sorry, 4 schools. Then sports merit marks. Number of candidates who await sports merit marks are 8,451. Number of candidates who have passed the exam with the help of sports merit marks 376. Percentage of candidates passing the examination with the help of sports merit marks 4.4%. Then next, subject wise passing percentage and the highest score in the subject. English first language 95.09 maximum pass percentage. Highest score is 92. Hindi second language pass percentage 98.69. Highest score is 98. Marathi third language 98.81. Highest score is 97. Kokani third language 98.86. Highest score is 97. Urdu third language 100%. Highest score 98. Sanskrit third language 100%. Highest score 99. Kannada third language 95.65, 89%. Arabic third language 100%. Highest score is 99. French third language pass percentage 100. Highest score is 96. Portuguese third language 100%. 96% is the highest score. Maths 94.25 pass percentage. Highest score is 100. Science pass percentage is 92.39. Highest score is 100. Social science pass percentage is 96.16 and the highest score is 100. Then National Skill Qualification Framework. These subjects, they are mostly opted by government schools. So under this scheme, following subjects are introduced. There is the additional 7th subject, and here the students are expected to pass along with this subject in any 6 subjects. Criteria for passing in any 6 out of 7, including this NSQ of subjects. So these subjects which are introduced, they are automobile, 2 IT, ITES, 3 healthcare, 4th retail, 5th travel and tourism, 6th travel and tourism, hospitality, agriculture, 8th agriculture, vegetable cultivation, 9th beauty and wellness, 10th physical education, 11th construction, 12th telecommunication, 13 logistics, 14 banking, financial services and insurance, 15 media and entertainment, 16 electrical and electronics, and 17 is apparel. Candidates mainly from the government high schools had taken NSQ as 7 subject. Okay, and 297 students got the benefit of NASQ of subject to clear the examination. So these candidates passed in 6 subjects, of which 1 subject is NSQO. So the government student mainly benefited because of this NSQO. So these are the highlights of the results. Then last dates for evaluation, verification and photocopies of answer books. For re-evaluation of answer books, the last date is 1st June 2018. Supply of photocopies of answer books is 5th June 2018 and verification of marks in absentia 2nd June is 2018. Then June 2018 examination, which we are going to conduct now for the failures. Candidates with remark needs improvement and at least with 1 attempt of examination are eligible to answer June 2000 examination irrespective of number of subjects with above remarks. Only online application between 29th May 2018 to 7 June 2018 will be accepted. Applications form they will have to be on online. No application will be accepted beyond 7 June 2018. Date of commencement of examination is 15th June 2018. Here. Then examination centers for this examination will be Mapsa Janta High School, Panji DAY High School, Madgaon Holy Spirit Institute, Honda SS Samitis, Srimati Indirabai Bhat Gawlikar High School, Dawli, and Kurcharam New Education Institute, Kurcharam. Candidates with remark needs improvement are eligible for this examination supplementary. Candidates who desire to improve marks can also answer supplementary examination under improvement of marks scheme. 2 chances of improvement of marks under improvement scheme are permitted. So these are the highlights of the result. So once again, I thank all of you for